In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create subfolders in Google Drive using Google Sheets. This is a super handy skill if you're dealing with a large number of files and need an organized way to store them. Whether you're managing team projects or personal files, this trick will save you a ton of time and keep everything nice and tidy. So, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your Google Drive ready and open the parent folder where you'd like your subfolders to sit. This parent folder is basically the main folder where all your upcoming subfolders will be created. Once you have that folder open, take a look at the URL at the top of your browser window. In this URL, you'll see a unique string of characters following folders. That's your folder ID. Highlight this part of the URL and copy it. This ID is crucial because we'll use it to tell Google Sheets where to build those new subfolders. Next, hop over to Google Sheets. Open a new or existing spreadsheet. Then in the menu bar across the top, go ahead and click on Extensions. From the drop-down that appears, select Apps Script. Now you might see some existing code in the script editor window that appears. No worries if you do, just clear it all out to start fresh. With the text area empty, you're going to paste a script here. This script is essentially a small program that will work the magic of creating your subfolders for you. Make sure to paste the code exactly as provided, ensuring there are no extra spaces or errors, as even a minor mistake can prevent it from working correctly. Once you've pasted the script into the app's script editor, you'll see a little triangle, or Run button, towards the top of this window. This button is what you'll click to kick off the process. When you do click it, you'll be prompted to authorize a few permissions. These permissions are necessary for the script to have access to your Google Drive and Google Sheets. It might feel a bit technical, but essentially, you're just allowing the script to communicate with your Google account so it can perform the tasks we've laid out. You'll see prompts asking for permission to access your Google Drive and Google Sheets. Go ahead and accept these. This is a safe process, but always ensure that you're mindful of the permissions you grant when using any scripts, especially if they're from external sources. Once you've authorized everything, the script will handle the rest, and you'll see that the subfolders are created automatically in your designated parent folder on Google Drive. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to streamline your file organization within Google Drive using just a few tools. This method not only saves time, but also reduces the repetitive strain of manually creating each folder. Keep this workflow in mind the next time you're setting up a new project or organizing your digital workspace. Thank you for following along, and I hope this technique enhances your productivity just as it has for many others. Happy organizing!